Hey there, concerned about your online privacy? No worries, I've got you covered. Whether you're trying to keep prize gift purchase under wraps or just want to keep your browsing habits to yourself, knowing how to clear your browsing history on Google Chrome is super important. So, let's dive in and I'll walk you through it. First things first, fire up your Chrome browser on your computer. Now look up the upper right corner and spot those three dot icons. Give them a click. Next up, hover your cursor over history and click on it from the side panel that pops up. Alternatively, if you're a keyboard ninja, you can press the magic combo of Control or CTRL and H together to get there in a flash. Now that you're in the history section, find and click on Clear Browsing Data over on the left hand side. Here comes the fun part. Choose the time range you want to wipe clean from your history. You've got options last hour, last 24 hours, last week, last 4 weeks, or the entire history of your browsing adventures. Once you've done your selection, hit that trusty Clear Data button, and just like that, poof, your browsing history is history. That's a wrap, folks. You've successfully cleared your browsing history on Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.